Hey everybody, welcome to McKellar Motivational Monday. My name is Danica McKellar, and every Monday, just about every Monday, we get together and talk about something that's going to help us have a better week. So I'm on Facebook Live, Periscope Live, is there any other kind of Periscope, and Instagram Live, of course, and I just want to say hi first. We're going to talk about a trick that I use that really helps me with stress and when I'm feeling overwhelmed with a lot of tasks. Hi, Mom. And the reason why I am talking about this right now is because I just got back from shooting my Hallmark movie. I've been back for about a week, and it was like just a few days ago where suddenly I feel like all the flood of the rest of my life coming back and wanting to be caught up on, and there's so much to do that it actually doesn't seem possible to get it all done. It might not be when it's supposed to. So I have a trick that really helps me that I will instinctively just do. Like, I hadn't even thought about it for a little while, and it just started happening. I started doing it on my own. I'm like, oh, that's right, the weed trick. So we've talked about this trick before, but I think most of the things that we talk about on McKellar Motivational Monday are worth repeating. A lot of the stuff, I mean, some of them are tricks that I've thought of that I want to share with you guys because they're just kind of different and cool or whatever. A lot of this, though, is stuff that we all just know and we need reminders of. So, thank you, Jimmy. This kind of is my own reality show right here, right now. I know it doesn't pay very well or anything at all, but then it's on my own terms. You know what I mean? I don't think I've had shows offer, hey, we want to do a reality show and follow your family around. This is not something that I am interested in doing at all. So anyway, hi. So before we talk in depth about my wee exercise, although some of you might be able to figure out what it is or remember what it is, and I'm sorry I'm talking so fast. I do that when I'm excited. Tell me where you guys are watching from, because I love hearing all the different places that you're watching from. It's just always so cool to me that this medium can reach so many people in different places. Virginia, Oregon, Nevada, very cool. Louisiana, Vancouver, Vancouver, Washington, right? Because there's a Vancouver, Washington, and a Vancouver, British Columbia. I got back from Vancouver Island not long ago. It was a week ago. Florida, Dallas, Texas, Louisiana again, very cool. Jersey, Westwood, Ontario, Maine, Georgia, Kentucky, Australia. Now that's pretty awesome because I'm in Los Angeles, and Australia is very far away. You're in Vancouver, Kevin? Oh, I love Canada. I love all parts of Canada that I've been to so far. I mean, I haven't met part of Canada that I don't like. And the people are really awesome too. Just the nicest people. Kansas City. When is my new Hallmark movie coming out, Jason? That's a very good question. Yes, Toronto, home of the Raptors. Yes, congratulations again on that. The movie that I just did is called, well, Sunshine, but it's going to change. It'll probably be Love and Sunshine, or they're saying maybe Sunshine in Summertime. I don't know if that's redundant or not, but something like that. And they're saying August 10th. That could also change, but it should be in August. So we're thinking, hi, Mom, why did you say hi, sweetie, with a question mark afterwards? Thank you, Newfie Bullet. I have not been to Nova Scotia yet. No, I have not. The farthest east I've been is Montreal, actually. So I haven't even been to Quebec or anything like that. I am in the backseat of my car. Yes, I am, John. That is correct. Hey, Kirk. Kirk Boyd has this little baby, Caleb, so cute, and always sends me pictures with Caleb in my math books, my McKellar math books, the baby ones. So, oh, and by the way, I have a book coming out in November. It's a follow-up to Bath Time Math Time called Bath Time Math Time Shapes, and it's for teaching babies the basics of shapes, like the fact that squares all have the same length of sides, and rectangles, cylinders, you name it. Anyway, whatever. I'll talk about that more in November. But yes, Newfoundland, I will check that out soon at some point. So, I'm so glad I helped you last week, Lisa. That's great. What did I do last week? What was the topic last week? What was it? I really liked it though. Oh, about reflection. It was about reflection and taking breaks and reflecting and journaling and meditating. And I did it from the airport when I was coming back from Canada. Yep. So I come back from Canada. Everything's great. I'm so happy to reconnect with my family. A few days in, then all the emails start from my publisher. There's like 15 things I need to be doing for them right now, and I'm doing some of them. They're up in case if anybody over there is watching, not this second, but I've been working on it all day. I'll be working on it again tonight and this whole week. Stuff for my 2020 book, the one on multiplication and division. So there's just a ton of things. And the book that comes out in November, I had to do approvals on some final illustrations for that. And then, like, you know, just all sorts of random house stuff that I need to catch up on. Personal finances, like, the list goes on and on. And when I find this list is driving me like nuts, and I'm just like, how am I going to do all this? Plus I homeschool my son, and I'm trying to like figure out what the curriculum is going to be. I get tense. I think we all get tense, right? You get like physically, there's like a physical thing that happens where you stop breathing as much, you stop breathing as deeply. And I found this really fun exercise that I've made up called the wee exercise. And because what you do, you can't say wee and be tense in your stomach. It relaxes. It's kind of like you can't be tense and laugh at the same time. Well, not like really, I guess you go, but not really laughing. Then when you actually laugh, everything releases, right? It releases. And yes, it is Monday night, Bob. I'm on time. Anytime Monday counts, and I usually do it at night. Well, whatever. This is sort of evening for me. So, yeah, right, Lisa, you find yourself holding your breath. I will find myself, if I'm at my laptop and I'm working and I'm really trying to get something done quickly, or I'm just feeling overwhelmed, I will hold my breath. And I'll be tense. And so I want you to try this right now. Everybody, right now, if you're somewhere where you can do this, I want you to try my wee exercise, especially if you are feeling any tension in your body or in your breath or in your psyche, anywhere whatsoever. Because I can feel it right now. Dr. Evil laugh. Right. So try right now. Get in touch with like, wee. Oh, you typed it. Thank you, Valera. That's awesome. Wee. And you know what else? It's hard not to laugh when you really, really do it. So please, if you guys are by yourselves in a house somewhere or an apartment or anywhere with a little, privacy, I want you to try it right now. Just give me a thumbs up if you're going to do it or if you have done it. Okay? You got it? You got tingly, Angel? Cool. I mean, it's going to have different effects on everyone. For me, if I really go, wee! And here's where I came up with the wee thing. When you are really stressed, it feels a little like being on a roller coaster. And you can like sort of tense, and if you tense up on a roller coaster when you're feeling all the dips, and then I'm getting all sorts of thumbs up. Yay! And you can have the choice on a roller coaster of holding on tight and tensing up and being in the fear of it, or you can throw your arms up and go, wee! And go with it. And just go with it. And so I say, you know what? I am feeling, Bethany, cool. I need to release some of the stress, and I feel like I'm tense on a roller coaster right now. I need to breathe and throw my arms up in the air and go, I am here for the ride. I'm signing up for this amazing, awesome life that has ups and downs like you couldn't believe. And it's a privilege. Waking up every morning is a privilege. So yes. Where did I learn it, Yana Rana? I am just crazy enough that I came up with it myself. I might not be the only one, but I've never heard of it before. So this helps me. This is why I'm talking about it, because it helps me and it helps some of you. And that's why we get together. And that's why we talk here live together. So you're going to do the wee exercise all day, Paul? Awesome. Thank you, Marcy. Do I think guys should get manicures? That is so interesting. If it helps you relieve stress, then do it. Yes, of course guys can get manicures. This is a silly question. And you know what? Polish or none, totally up to you. Isn't it great? I'm so glad. In Mexico, you say Ayala, Ahala, hala. Sure, whatever works. The math book I wrote helped with educating your son in middle school. I'm so happy to hear that, Tommy. I'm going to guess Math Doesn't Suck is the one you used. That's middle school, or Kiss My Math. They're both good for middle school. So glad to hear it. You're saying we like French we? The cheerleading method. Ooh, Ray, that's very, very good. This is, okay, the cheerleading method, that's something else. This is a totally different technique for a different purpose. and yet similar. So if you're that came from one of my math books, I think it's Math Doesn't Suck, actually, the one for 6th grade, 5th and 6th grade. It was. Okay, so so you say, oh, I have to do this problem 4/3 divided by 2. Oh, no, I get to do this problem. Yes, this is fantastic. Woohoo, yay, I love math. And you sort of become a cheerleader in your own head. And just doing that is silly, but it kind of gets you out of the rut. Anyway, I find, maybe it's because I'm an actress, but I find that fake it till you make it when it comes to enthusiasm and fun, when it's something you really don't feel like doing, or if you're feeling really stressed, it works. It works. And why does it work? I think it works because you get this physiological response. Your body, it's a sense memory thing. Is it okay if you get on a roller coaster before you say it? Sure, Ed, if you happen to have a roller coaster nearby, that's very fortunate. You hate math today and totally not getting it, Paula? Okay, it's algebra. Check out my book, Hot X, Algebra Exposed. It's on Amazon. It's in some stores still. The book's been around for a while, so some bookstores don't carry it anymore. It's called Hot X, Algebra Exposed. It's on Amazon. It's on BarnesandNoble.com. You can find it easily, new, used. It's in a lot of libraries, so you don't have to pay money if you don't want to, but it will help you with algebra. You check it out. I'm not on my way to anywhere, Christy, right? I'm just sitting in the car, not moving anywhere. So I hope this is useful to you guys. When you're feeling stressed, and I'm going to go back to doing all these things that I need to be doing, but I appreciate you all so much. And when you're feeling stressed, when you're feeling overwhelmed because of so many things or because of whatever it is taking you up and down like a roller coaster, go, oh wait, this is that roller coaster part of life. And Danica told me to throw my arms up and go, wee! And just doing that helps. Hot X Algebra. It's a book that I wrote. It's a math book that teaches algebra, but in a fun way. And you can tell from just the way I am that I use fun. I use fun because it's relaxing and it makes everything work better. My name is pronounced Danica McKellar. Doogie Howser. I get that feeling that's not your real name. Don't stress it. Wee! Now, my pleasure, Kanan. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all of your follows and your shares and your comments. Thank you for participating. Thank you for making McKellar Motivational Monday happen. What did I call it? McKellar? Yeah. Sometimes I call it Monday. I don't know what the order is. What age is Hot X Algebra for? It's for, it's Algebra 1. So usually that's taken in 8th grade or 9th grade. So, 13, 14. But it depends on different kids take it at different times. So I'm excited to announce that I will be shooting another Hallmark Movies and Mysteries movie soon, starting near the end of July. And it's going to be my first, mystery. It's called Matchmaker Mysteries. Yes, I do like geometry. And I have a geometry book too, Mr. Compton. It's called Girls Get Curves, Geometry Takes Shape. And it's for high school geometry, ages 14, 15, 16, however old someone is when they take high school geometry, which changes depending on the school and depending on how old they are when they get into a certain grade. Yes, I am married. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. And remember, wee! And, if you ever want to send me a text, or not a text, but a tweet or a DM and tell me how this stuff is helping you, I always love that. I also love it when you guys send me pictures of your little kids and my math books. And when I can, I will do Insta stories about them because I just think it's fantastic. And I really appreciate it when you share it with me, and they're so cute. And thank you for your Amazon reviews and your Barnes & Noble reviews. And have a fantastic, fantastic week. Whee!